This is a very nice model of the eye. To make this, you need a big plastic ball, PVC pipe, acrylic sheet, and a convex lens. Now, stick some butter paper on a circular acrylic sheet. This will become the screen on which the image would be made. Now apply some glue to one end of the PVC pipe and stick the acrylic sheet so that the butter paper, the screen, is outside. Now cut the ball into two parts, still joined at the end. Make a big hole to the left and a small hole to the right. Apply some rubber adhesive on the small hole and then stick a 10 centimeter focal length convex lens on the inside of the ball. Now slide the PVC pipe inside the big hole to the right side, and then close the two halves of the ball and tape them from the outside with sticky tape. Now the model of the eye is ready. Well, on the right side is the lens, and this is a PVC pipe which you can slide inside or pull out, and this is the convex lens which will be turned towards the object, and this black PVC tube can be pushed in or slid out. Now when you see through the pipe with the lens towards the object, you will see the inverted image. Over here you can see a man walking, but he'll be upside down. This is how a pinhole camera works. You can of course direct it towards trees and you can see very beautiful scenery. Now here is a very simple way of making the model of the eye.